Hello everyone, welcome to Tradani Solution. So for today's video, let's go to add a shadow in this bag. So simple and fast way to add a shadow. So like this. As you can see, there's a shadow here, up, down here. So to do that, we have here, I have a main image. I'm going to duplicate that one. Just drag the plus or Control J. So I need 2 layers for that copy. So click the last below layer, then add a Gaussian blur. Okay, so you can adjust here as you can see. But me, I want it to be 13. So we have a blur at the back, and at the front, no blur. So next is click this blur, filter, blur gallery, and then path blur. So as you can see, go here, Rare Sync Flash, and then try to add speed, and then you can move this one, the arrow. If you move the arrow, the shadow also moves. The arrow directs the shadow. So if you move that shadow up, it will also move the shadow up. As you can see here. And also move this one, and that one. So that's how we use this tool. So I think that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.